In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Chrome shortcuts. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by a cluttered home page every time you open your browser, you're not alone. Managing these shortcuts can streamline your browsing experience and help you stay organized. Removing shortcuts is a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to your home page, where you can see all the available shortcuts that Google has automatically compiled based on your browsing history or those that you might have added manually. Spend a moment scanning through the shortcuts to decide which ones you want to keep and which ones could be removed. This gives you a sense of what's most relevant to you and tidies up the digital landscape you interact with every day. Once you've identified a shortcut you wish to remove, move your mouse cursor over the shortcut icon. As you hover over the icon, you'll notice a menu represented by 3 vertical dots appearing at the top right corner of the shortcut itself. This is the key to managing your shortcuts. It's worth noting that this menu can sometimes take a second or two to appear, so be sure to give it a moment if it doesn't show up immediately. When the 3-dot menu does pop up, click on it. Doing so will reveal a small drop-down menu with a few options. Among these options, you'll see Remove. Clicking Remove will instantly delete the shortcut from your home page. And that's it. You've successfully removed an unwanted shortcut from Google Chrome. Now, your home page should be a little less crowded, allowing you to focus on the shortcuts that truly matter. If you're inclined to tidy up further, you can repeat these steps for other shortcuts as needed, or even explore adding new ones that align better with your current needs. Taking control of your browser's shortcuts can save you time and reduce distractions, allowing for a more streamlined and personalized browsing experience. With these few clicks, you not only declutter your screen, but also cater your Chrome homepage to suit your daily internet use best. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Until next time, have a great day surfing the web with your newly organized homepage.